Happy Easter mga ka-alright. Tapos na tayo mag-misa. Naimas pa ba?
Hindi nga pang Pwede ko kumuha nito. Pa?
Go, go. Sige, sige. Happy Easter kay Father Man. Ayan. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. And enjoy your holiday. So you getting holidays? Happy Easter to you. Happy Easter to you. Happy Easter. Happy Easter to you.
Happy Easter, brother.
Good.
Okay, Happy Easter. Hello po.
Sorry, nandun kasi yung taxi namin. Sige, ingat kayo. Bye.
Millie, come here. Millie, come here. Go, go. Go to the taxi. Sino yun? Si Ja. Yeah, hi. It's so cold outside.
Kasi nakabunin. Sit down, please, please.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Sorry.
Going to Hanley Street?
Yeah, hi.
Yun yung asawa niya pa?
Oo, yan.
Oo, parang familiar sa akin yan. Dali na umaambon ng kanyang CR.
Daming nagsimba, no?
Oo, puno-puno ang simbahan. Nag-CR na ako, hindi ako makadaan eh.
Friend mo yun, anak?
Office mate yung dati ni Tiki pa.
Ah, okay.
Dito sa, dati yung work niya, no? Si Ja. Si Ja. Friend ko yun sa FB.
Tapos nakapag-beso kayo. Nabilis kasi ni Kuya.
Beso nga kami. Ay, dito gusto.
Mommy, Papa is videoing again.
Puro Pinoy.
Siguro ano yung simbahan 1/4 Pinoy. Magandang hari, hindi ka pa naman magsisimba. Si Jesus Christ ay muling nabuhay. Ganyan naman talaga. Before guys, pasok sa kayo itong
Hindi, iba naglalaro. Ba't tayo natin tayo naglalaro?
Ano ba yung simbahan? Gusto ko simbahan tayo. Si Diggy pa nagsimbahan na.
Hindi siya. Niyayaya nga daw siya magbili nila. Auntie sa kanila ni Jojo. Hindi daw siya makaisip ng dahil.
Mamayang gabi. Ito yung simbahan.
Tatalaga siya. Kanan yung mga tubig. Sabi ko sa mama ka na para makalibre ka.
Kaya nga eh. Kapain na siya. Sabi mo pilitin mo na. Na siya mag-face pa.
What?
Bait ng padre kasi nung last year,
Oo.
sa gitna lang. Tapos sabi ko lang, hindi nakasama yung sa Sabi ko
Tapos
pang pagano,
bumalik pa
tapos
siya,
bumalik pa
umipot.
siya sa dulo.
Kaya
Yung dati sa gitna lang, tapos wala na, bumalik na agad.
Kaya nagpagkabresa saka ako umihi. Sabi ko pasisiyan mo na ako na mapigilan. Kasi nakita ko umikot siya eh. Ang gabi.
Kasi pag next year, ikaw tawag ko. Sa atin,
Huwag na yung ganun. Ako pipigyan na lang tayo mag-kristakan. Tinamaan nga ako sa mukha. Kay William, diba ano to? Yung... Ang tawag mo to? Kaya city diba? Masarap yan pa. Anak tayo ka. Saan tayo kakain?
Kaya meron din yung fish cake na may cheese sa loob.
Fish cake. May cheese.
Mag-share na lang kayo.
Oo, malaki naman yung ano.
Hindi ikaw maglalagay kung ano gusto. Anak ko makainin.
Hindi ako alam gusto ko ulam yung ano. Fish.
Kain tayo mga ka-alright. Kuha tayo ng soup. Ganyan talaga yung kaldero. Pipi-pipi. Tigi-tigi sa tayo niyan.
Hindi si mama. Share na kayo.
Ah, siya na. Oo, igupin mo lahat to. Ang laki.
And then beef. Ito may chicken.
Paano pagluto niyan?
Sila na.
Sila na magluluto.
Okay, wala.
Okay.
Anak ko ito lang.
Ma, ikaw magano? Tuturo ko na lang sa'yo.
Yun is, yeah, a bacon.
Chicken.
Chicken ma. Chicken.
Ilang pa?
Lamb. Beef.
Round, ano na?
Enough, ma, enough.
Tagdalawa tayo.
Hindi, meron pa ron. Dami pa yan.
Ayaw ni mama.
Ayoko niyan eh.
Oh, sige. Yung beef ako, beef.
Ilang beef?
Dalawa, isa pa.
Okay, enough. Mga ka-alright, yung kakainin namin ito, pipiliin namin.
Ito ang kanan mo.
Ayan. Ayan.
Anak ka naman sa...
Noodles.
Sino na kayo anak kita?
Naku,
Pero okay lang, hati naman kayo. Hindi na hati naman kayo. Kaya na yun.
mabawasan mo. Mga gusto ko nito.
Ito, masarap yan. Ayan, masarap yan.
Oo. Grabe, ang laki ng kaldero. Kakainin natin. Ang laki naman.
May ka na?
Ma, yung kakainin mo ha. Baka di mo kainin yan.
Ito, masarap.
Ito.
Ang isa ko yan.
Ayan.
Ito may cheese na to. Same lang nito. Hindi. Ano ko yung fish?
Mushroom. Mushroom, lagyan mo mushroom.
Kuha ko nito.
2 mushroom.
Pinili.
Okay. Saka ano, mais. 2 mais. 2 mais.
Ano ko sa mayroon?
Isa lang. Ito.
Mahirap kumain.
Mama, ito masarap.
Ito. Dumpling. Ang galing. Nakakatawa. Ayan. Ay, may mga gulay dito mga. Togi. Lagyan mo togi. Hindi mo ikaw kaya. Lagyan mo na ng konti. Lagyan mo ng konti. Ayan. Sige pa. Okay. Tama na. Ang broccoli mo. Yung hindi natin nakakain, yun ang kunin mo kasi.
Iba ako.
Ito, katulad nito. Tikman natin yan. Sige na.
Ano to na?
Sige na. Yung mga hindi natin nakakain. Yan.
Hindi na nakakain. Paano hindi masarap?
Hindi sa piliin. Lagyan mo na isa.
Meron na dalawa.
Limasag.
Kinikilo.
Ito, may chicken dito. Pinarito. May itlog doon.
Ayan, gusto niyo yan? Pusit?
Yung ano ko sa
Hipon. Meron.
Ipon. Lagyan mo yun.
malaki. Ito
Ipon.
yung malaki o ito.
Hindi, yan. Yan. Ito yan. Isa pa. Yung alimasag.
Hindi yan. Wala kang makakain dyan.
Oo nga, wala nga
Ang
laman.
dami yan, ma. Sobrang dami yan. Hayaan mo na.
Sige na, kainin natin yan. Ayan, tapos ngayon, iba paluto rito, mga ka-alright. Pwede ba may anghang ng konti? Hindi, konti lang. Gusto mo ba? Huwag na lang. Huwag na raw. Okay, mamaya na lang ulit. Ayaw niya manghang. Ako gusto ko eh. Okay, mamaya na lang. Alright.
Salubong ay tanging kaugalian sa Pilipinas. Bilang isang Pilipinong Katoliko, naniniwala tayo si Jesus ay nagpakita sa kanyang inang si Maria noong madaling araw ng linggo ng pagkabuhay. Ipinagdiriwang natin ang salubong ni Jesus na muling nabuhay at ng kanyang inang si Maria. Ito ay di lamang pagpapakita ni Jesus sa kanyang ina, kundi gayon din sa ating lahat na kanyang mga kapatid. Nagpapakita siya sa atin sa pamamagitan ng kanyang mga salita, sa pagdiriwang ng banal na misa at sa banal na komunyon. Atin ngayong matutunghayan ang pagtatagpo ng mga imahen ni Jesucristong muling nabuhay at ng kanyang nagagalak na inang si Maria. Ipahayag natin ang ating kagalakan sa pamamagitan ng masiglang palakpakan.
Sinigang mo yung My Day. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo.
Amen.
Sumainyo ang Panginoong muling nabuhay.
At sumainyo rin.
Dapat nga tayong magalang at magpasalamat sa Diyos sa Ama at kay Yesu Kristong anak niya. Hinugasan ng dugo ni Kristo ang kasamaan ng sangkatauhan. Noong unang panahon, iniligtas ng Diyos.
Namalakas na sa hukay at si Jesus ay nabuhay. Ang ulan na dinalaw ay ang ilang namamanglaw. Inaliw sa kalumbayan noon nga sa sinapuyo ay pinaranan ni Kristo at pinatid ng ganito yaong ina ng lulumo Gagi ka.
Alright, mga koray, kakain na kami.
You like it,
Kain
ha?
kami nito.
Mili, you like it?
Ah.
Okay, good.
Sa kung sa bahay.
Mamang na kasi siya. Sa iba kasi, ano eh. Ewan ko nagbago sila ng soup eh. Dati, pwede ka pumili. Sarap. Ito masarap yung may cheese.
Na, parang sa ito nagkukunti din. Kaya may lasa na.
Sarap ko. Sarap, di ba?
Mangang na siya. Ay, loko.
Nan mo.
Sabi yun. Lalaki ng noodles.
Bigyan ka na. Nakakumuha ka.
Di na anak, di na. Naka-selfie video. Okay, kaya na tayo. Mamaya na lang ulit. Bye-bye. Sarap, ang init.
Cheese loob. Mainit yan ah.
Bilis nila magluto, no?
Lang pati ba eh. Di ba maanghang?
Oo, mama.
Pipisok lang lahat.
At tapos sobrang init naman.
Malaking kawali siguro to, yung malakas ang apoy.
Very good, Mili.
Injak ka.
Nag-inject na ako.
Ang totoo.
Buti dinala mo yung sanok sa galing, di ba?
Oo, ganda nga eh. Sana meron ito sa Pilipinas. Yung bala.
Pwede ng dinner to eh.
Oo nga.
Hindi mo na inom ng tubig para hindi mo na mabusog.
Okay. Kain tayo ulit.
Yummy, anak. You want more? I get you more? Ay, masarap.
nag-discover ito?
Sarap yung noodles niya, ano.
Eh?
Sarap yung noodles.
Oo.
Alam mo, magtayo ka sa Pilipinas dito, patok eh. Meron kaya sa nito sa ano? Divisoria?
Meron na akong ganito sa Pilipinas eh, parang isa o dalawa. Dito sobrang dami. Saka di siya oily, naka-boil lang.
Oo nga.
Hindi siya naka-freeze. Favorite ni Miguel yan eh.
Hotdog pala to.
Ito nga.
Hindi ko nakita yung toge. Naluto.
Yung bacon na, ano.
Ito. Ito yung nanak ko eh.
Oh, dawa.
What is it?
Kain tayo. Ang sarap to ngayon mga kawalit kasi mainit malamig dito. Malamig ngayon yung panahon. Parang ano siya?
You want more? Yes. Okay. This one has no sauce.
Tulo yung ko. Hanggang na nga.
O, diba? Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Oo.
Hindi mo na kayo.
Eh, mamaya na lang ulit. Bye-bye. Namumula na ako. Oh, yun nga. Kanina ang dami, di ba? Ngayon bus na. Alright, yung isa meron pa. Meron pa akong konti. Sarap mga kaokay. Konti na lang. Almost done. Mili yung pool. Di mo inubos noodles mo, Mili? Yung naman na yung ano yung sabaw parang may gatas.
Peanut yun.
Ha?
Peanut.
Ayun. Yun ang lalasahan ko. May mani. Sarap.
Hindi ako ng pang take away.
Hindi lang.
Hindi ako sure, baka may bayad. Pero, hindi ba ito nila? Mas masarap na, pinakamasarap na hot pot, yung nasa Costco.
Costco rin sa Siglo.
Costco. Bakit masarap doon?
Hindi, iba, I mean yung dun sa area na yun. Ang pangalan, East Hot Pot.
Kaya alam, masarap sana yung alimasag niya. Ang payat eh.
Wala kang makakain. Ano lang sa weight.
Oo.
Kasi yung 1.3 kilos na yun.
Kasi masarap yung
Ito sa
ano.
amin, 600.
Yung bang merong ano, merong tagun. Yung merong itlog.
Really, let's buy popcorn. You want popcorn?
Yes.
Ano ginagawa mo? Hindi ka naman makausap na. Busog ka na yan. Busog ka na. Full ka na sa labas. Teka, hindi mo na tayo ng... Kaya ka magbitbit ah.
Oo, sige. Ang bahala dyan.
baka may bayad eh.
Yung gamot natin. Maya-maya.
Maya-maya. Maya-maya, busog na busog. Busog na busog ang kami, alright. Grabe kinain namin, oh. Di ba, ubus na. Ito, meron pa. Take out namin yan. Alright.
Imi na lang ang Francis nila.
Okay, kumain na lang ulit. Busog. Ayan, hindi namin naubos. So, i-take out namin. Hindi na yung lalagyan. Yung lalagyan may bayad. Magkano yung lalagyan na?
$1.20.
$1.20. Oh, di ba?
Hanap ko yung may chocolate ako nilagay dito eh.
Dito nga, dito mo. Ayan. Take out. Dito mo kunin. Yeah. Sabi ko. Naku, naka-jacket ako.
Saan ka?
Dito sa likod. Sa likod dito.
Uy, minsan nakalakay. Huwag mo lang tanggalin. Kukunin ka muna.
Yun nga, mga karay. Tapos na kami kumain, kaya lang, ayan. Umuulan. Diba? Umuulan. It's raining. Ayan, nandun pa sila sa loob. Dito sa loob. Kaya, maglalakad kami hanggang dun sa ano, train station. Ilan may naninigarilyo sa tabi ko. Alright, mamaya na lang ulit. Bye-bye! Okay, yun nga. Maglalakad kami in the city of Adelaide. Alright. Bingi pagka-video. Bingi. Kasi may hawak ako. May hawak ako, di kita makakamaigi. Alright. Oh, nag-i-snow na. Malamig. Uh-oh! Oh! Lumakas! Patila tayo lang, patila. Lumakas. Okay, may na ulit. Umuulan.
Saan ba nakalagay yun?
Ang ganda, oh. Laki ng itlog.
Ayun, doon tayo pipicturean.
Ah, magnet pala, magnet. Laki ng magnet na yun.
Ayun pa. Pag-dito tayo pa.
Saan?
Picture tayo here.
Ayan. Kita yan, anak?
Oo.
Kaya,
Dito kayo.
pangalan?
Picture tayo ano. Wait, ano. Apot lahat tayo.
Dito tayo tigulog sa post na ako. Ano tayo pa? Ano po yun?
Millie, come here. Here, Millie. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Quiz na tayo next week eh.
Let's go inside.
Hindi na yung South Australia, anak na Australia na lang.
Mga ka-alright, ang laki ng magnet. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Art Gallery of South Australia. Alright. Museum. Free entry. Ano makikita rito? Picture 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Pag dito kami liko. Pag dito black naman. Oh. Yan. Dito. Nag-iiba yung kulay. Dito mo. Ayan, may ikot. Oh. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Ang galing. May ikot.
This looks so cool. And oh my god, yeah. No, there's like three things over there.
Oh, wow.
Papa, is that the YouTube channel?
Yes. Look at this. The hippopotamus. Oh my goodness.
There's some up in the sky.
Another monkey, really.
Hey.
Ooh. All monkeys here. Look at that elephant. That's koala. What's that? What is that, really?
A sun bear.
Right, sun bear.
It's getting into my face.
What?
It's weird.
Yeah,
It's against the window.
it's sun bear. It's
You were
Slowloris.
right there. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Slow
What's this, Millie?
Oh my gosh, it's a Philippine flying lemur.
Yeah, Philippines.
It's for the Philippines.
Yeah.
That thing's for the Philippines. It's for the Philippines. Yay!
Yay!
We found something from the Philippines. Indian giant squirrels.
Indian giant?
Yeah, Indian giant squirrels.
Axis deer?
Axis deer. Axis. Lizard. What is this?
What's that?
Black buck.
Lizard Malayan? Black buck.
Oh my gosh. Sorry. Indian porcupines. Oh my gosh.
Porcupines?
Look at the Indian porcupines.
Porcupines?
That's an Indian elephant.
That?
Yep.
Is it Indian elephant?
Indian elephant.
Ah, yeah. Ano ba? How was that?
Indian gray mongoose.
Mm.
This is a black leopard.
Black leopard?
Yep.
Yeah. And then let's go there. Yeah, what is that?
Dark candy. Dark candy.
Dark
This
candle?
is my favorite part. Yeah, it's really dark.
This one monkey.
This crab eating lettuce.
That one,
Crab eating
that one, the big nose.
It's a big blue.
What's that? Proboscis?
What's this
Monkey?
monkey?
Here.
It's white.
Here, really? Look at the... Yeah. What over here? Let's go over here. Really? Really? The pelican?
No, the flamingo.
Is it?
It's a flamingo.
Flamingo.
In this.
Here, Millie. Come here. Millie.
Oh, this is the ice man. I think I found the ice cooler there.
Yeah. Here. Look at the lobo.
The badger.
Yeah, it's a lobo.
I think there's muffalon. What is
it a
a
lobo?
muffalon? It's called muffalon.
Follow deer.
Golden jackal.
Golden jackal.
Golden jackal.
Jackal.
And a weasel. Where is even
Wait.
the weasel?
They're here.
There you are.
The small one.
It's so big.
Yeah, it's small.
It's so small.
Very small.
Zoom it in. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
It's fun.
You're fine? You sure? Look at that. Yeah. What is that?
A Russian red squirrel.
Oh, very good. You're good reading, huh?
Wait, a Russian otter. What? Oh, otters are supposed to be in the water.
Where? That one?
But oh my gosh, the movie Red Panda. Guys, I found the movie Red Panda.
Okay.
I found Red Panda from Turning Red. It's the Red Panda.
Okay, this one.
A stick.
What is this? The polar bear?
A polar bear.
Yeah. They're living in the Okay, kaya mo yan. Rio Angler. Look at that, really?
A weapon. North American porcupine. We've been all over. This thing's a beaver. I think
What is that?
it's a beaver. A beaver.
This one.
Gray squirrel.
What's that?
Gray squirrel. American black bear.
American black bear.
Have you ever seen a brown bear? Brown bear.
Where's the brown bear?
Brown bear. Gray fox.
Gray fox. And this one?
Puma.
What is
Puma.
It's
It's Puma.
puma.
Rocky Mountain goat.
Huh? Rocky Mountain goat?
This one.
This one. This is puma.
Yeah, that's a puma.
Puma.
Wait, isn't that
It's not it's not Adidas. What is it? What is Coty? Coty? This one.
South American.
Monkey again.
What is this? This animal? What is this animal?
South American Taffer.
Panda. Like a panda. Armadillo. Armadillo.
Okay, let's go, Bonnie.
The armadillo.
Where?
The armadillo.
This one. Oh, nga. Let's go. Yeah.
Papa, Papa, you're making this in a video.
Yeah, I see. Oh, ano yun?
Wow. Look at this mouse staring at
Oh,
me.
kangaroo.
There's a mouse staring at me.
Nak, picture mo ako sa kangaroo. Hawa mo nga ito.
Wait a minute. Papa.
How's that? Kangaroo, number 4. Let's picture here. It's kangaroo. Oh, di ba? Boxing tayo. Ang galing manuntok na ito. May snake pa. Oh. There's snake. Come here, Millie. Look at this. Millie, what is this? Millie. This one.
I think that's a pelican.
Pelican?
I'm waiting for a flood. What is this? Mommy, what's this animal again?
You're correct.
Oh,
It's a pelican. It's a pelican.
looks more like a stork.
No.
That thing looks like a stork.
Ha?
Pati mga fish, na-preserve nila ng
Ano yan?
Eggs.
Kaya mga eggs. Tingnan natin ang eggs.
magpie. Yung pinakamalaki.
Dinosaur yan.
Black,
Those are not dinosaurs.
still.
Dinosaurs aren't.
Ito, quail egg.
Quail egg. Okay, quail egg.
Quail egg.
Okay, quail egg. Alright. Millie.
Bugs.
Let me see. Look at this tipaklong. Millie. You see? And butterfly.
Yep, there's a butterfly. Is it now? Let's close.
Hey, what's this, Millie?
Oh my
Oh,
god.
it's a bat. It's a bat. Here, Millie.
So weird.
Look at this.
So
Hey, what's this?
I
well-
think that's a joey.
How are you there? Alright. This one. Come here.
Wait.
Come here inside. Oh, it's kangaroo.
Wait, you wanna see where you get bones?
Mm-hmm.
You wanna see
Yeah.
where you find bones?
Yeah, here, bones.
Papa, you know where to find bones?
Yeah, there. Wait. Mm-hmm.
It's so. These things are instinct.
Look at a small kangaroo.
Instinct. These things are all instinct.
Yeah, this one. Come here.
It is not tigers, not dogs.
Yeah, Millie, come here. It's the owl over here.
Owl. That comes at night.
Yes.
And let's
And now?
go.
Oh, there's the bones.
Real bones.
The real bones. Lang, layo pala na ikutin ko rito.
Bigay yung mga drawers again.
Thanks. Oh, white jars. This one.
Oh, the bone.
Ano yun?
Mga buto.
Stop, Millie.
Oo, mga buto. Naikot lang ako. Ha? Snake. Oh, giant frog. Laki oh. Limasag. Look at that. Bang. Look at that mouse. Yeah, come here. This bird is in your park. Really? I saw that bird in your park.
When you were biking,
Yeah, and when I'm biking, I see that.
you saw that.
I saw the all of birds. Oh, look at that. That's it. A sea lion. Yeah, the sea lion. The shark. Is it a shark?
Shark doo 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 doo.
Oh no, that's it's a shark. It's a dolphin.
I think I saw. It's an eagle. It's what eagle?
Look at that.
Eagle.
There is a park, really.
That's in my park.
Yeah,
I know.
that's bird.
There's so many birds in my room.
Yeah.
There's even like parrots in my. There's parrots everywhere.
Yeah, look at that fish.
This is the fish area.
Yeah, okay. I want a fish area. Look at this. Lapu-lapu. Ooh.
Papa, this looks more like the electric eel.
Yeah, the
I
electric
see
eel.
the electric eel.
Yeah, there's electric eel.
Baby electric eel.
Yeah, there's a pampano.
And his
Pampano. Lapu-lapu. Lapu-lapu. And this is your
I look literally like this.
yeah. Look at that. What is this? Oh, it's a Didis.
These are so big.
Didis.
These things
It's
are
a big.
so big.
No, look at that. That's big. Grabe. Totoo to. Totoo yung laki niyan. Yung mga yan. Laki talaga, yes.
Yan ang laki nila.
Oo, laki talaga yan. Ganyan talaga. Yes, go. What?
Oh, you went for your anak, ha?
Yeah. Ah, talaga? Let's go. Ah, okay, go to the aquarium. Yan eh.
I have your phone for a second so I can show you what's under there, okay? Okay. Let me just...
Don't touch anything. Don't touch this because it's turning it off like that.
He just came in.
Hi, Luto please.
He just came in.
Please.
He just came in.
Neil, please.
He just came in.
Yes. Everyone was waiting.
I know.
지금 뭐 나와? 그러게.
Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. They're fighting. Ding, 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 ding.
Okay, go Billy. Go. Oh, there's another one. Oh, it's many things. Doon yata pasok eh. Ano?
Sige na. Just look here. You line up there.
Okay. Okay, guys, we have this guys. Ding, 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 ding. Wait, I'm just gonna sit down.
Go, if you go inside, I give you this. Come on. Go, Millie, go. Go next. Ah, here.
Oh my gosh, thanks. Thanks. Yeah.
Go there.
Yeah. Excuse me. I'm under here, you know. Oh. Well, can I just have one more look? Yeah. Okay. I was talking to a baby. I'm talking to a boy. It's Millie on camera. Cucumber. Yeah, and I'm not gonna speak. I'm in the Adelaide Museum Zoo. This is kind of like a zoo, but they're not live animals. And Did the sky just get out or something? Oh man, these look surreal. Hi, it's finally my turn. And look up there, guys. That looks so beautiful. And that looks so beautiful. And there's like everything inside. It's so real and it looks amazing. Oh my god. This looks amazing. Look in there.
Put out the phone first and then you go to photo, mom. Go, up there. Go, up. Okay, balik tayo dito. Dorado. Right. You okay?
Patingin niyo ba yung sa taas?
That was so fun
Oo,
in there.
yun sa taas. Oh, yan. Oh, yan.
Ang laki naman.
Okay. Ito lang. Whale.
Ano ba yung...
Whale yan. Ang laki. Ang laki, oh. Ang laki ng whale. Look at that whale.
Hi, baby shark.
Baby shark. Okay. Yeah.
Are you going to read it? Read.
These jaws are mainly for holding their other fish and
Careful, ha? Your head.
these teeth are perfect for holding, breaking, and crushing and
Galing niyo magbasa.
I don't know what that means. I don't know what it has. Shells, urchins, and sea stars.
Okay. That's it?
Eagle.
Okay, gray yan.
Eagle ray.
These jaws chew crabs, shrimp, mussels. I don't know what this is.
It's a shellfish.
Shellfish and worms. These jaws crush hard-shelled animals.
Look at that.
Leather jacket. These jaws graze on a hard roof, snipping off
Invertebrate. Yeah. Algae. And invertebrate.
S.
Yeah. What is this?
Blue grubber.
Blue grubber.
These jaws and teeth chew mussels, crabs, and sea urchins.
Wow.
These fish
Let's see.
flips sea urchin
Over
over to avoid most of the
swines. And then this
Very
one is
good, Billy.
snapper.
Snapper.
These jaws crush crabs, squid, sea urchin, and bivalves.
Very good, Millie.
Mussels and clams.
This is snapper. Look at the snapper.
This is super nice. I don't.
Saan yan? Marine, South Australia. Hapo tayo. Let's sit.
Mom, am I under 5?
Yeah, come here.
Oh, wait, what?
Just take that.
Ano ba ito?
1, 2, 3.
It's okay.
You're alright. Okay, let's go.
Ba't wala akong makita kanduli dito?
Like under 5 years old.
Okay, let's go, baby. Let's see the big squid.
Oh, yeah, squid.
We have a big squid here.
There's a squid. Go inside.
Yeah, let's go inside.
Go inside to see the squid.
It's an octopus. Yeah, giant squids.
This is the octopus on the other.
There's a squid.
We need one more. No.
Yeah, let's go.
Pwede kasi pumasok sa taas.
If you go upstairs, then you can see. I'll show you.
Yeah, wow, look at that giant squid. Ooh.
It's like we fall down and then hit the giant squid.
Okay, let's go.
Yes.
Millie, where are you, Millie?
Here.
Look at the squid. It's upstairs. Yeah. No.
It's so nice here.
Yeah, it's so nice here, Millie. There's a lot of bones.
There's so.
To, paano ba nila nabuo to?
Actually, this is.
It's all of this is a bone. Really? Oh, it's a shell. Don't need none. Don't need. Oh, that's a bone shark.
Last one.
Okay, let's go. Really?
Yeah, because these female fish, they come from Australia.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
So you can have coffee. Okay? Hey, Papa. Papa, there's some. We're just gonna go
Ito yun. Ano ba ito? Ano ba ito? Kryptonite. Penguin.
Albatross. Are albatrosses Antarctic?
Letter from Mosul. Ayun yung mga shoes natin.
Yeah, going home. Let's go.
I'm tired.
Mondays can be fun.
Ano naman yun?
Mga bato. Uy.
I saw it. Seagull.
Yeah, you see that?
I saw that.
See the tail? It's not moving.
Look, I'll try. Hi, say hi. It was, oh my goodness. The thing was like, oh my gosh.
Okay, yun nga mga ka-oret. Hanggang dito na lang. Hanggang dito na lang tatapos ang ating video. Maraming salamat sa ating suporta. Magandang hapon po. Alright. Today it's Sunday. Happy Easter. Ingat po tayo. Alright. And God bless us all. See you later. Alligator. Bye-bye.